I'm Mark Goderis in the Advanced Manufacturing Center here at Ford Motor Company. I'm the Digital Engineering Manager, and I'd like to introduce Fluffy, our quadruped robotic dog. So this is a Boston Dynamics Spot. We've nicknamed him Fluffy. We're utilizing it to actually do laser scans of our facility. That image is then utilized by our engineers to develop new vehicle programs, and it allows them to develop more accurate layout of our facilities. The opportunity here and what this robot dog can do is significantly going to change the engineering community. It also gets people excited about the fact that we're on cutting edge technology here at Ford Motor Company. These cutting edge technologies allow Ford Motor Company engineers to save money, retool facilities faster, and bring new vehicles to market sooner.
Considering I've never had a game controller in my hand before, at first I'm not going to lie, it was kind of intimidating to be in control of a dog that is this high tech, but he is easy to operate. Today we'll be able to show you taking him up some stairs, he'll go over grading, he'll go into some tight areas that Scout or our other robot won't be able to accommodate. Like people bond with their cars or certain tools in their workshop, I certainly have bonded with my companion dog, Fluffy.
Kind of cute, actually.